Okay, dear students, we are in complex numbers miscellaneous exercise 5.4 and we've finished 12 questions up to 12 questions in the last class. Okay, let us see 13th question onwards in this class. What they have asked, you see 13th question, find the modulus and argument of complex number. Okay, modulus we know, square root of a square plus b square. Why? Because if z is a plus ib, and argument also we know we have to write in polar form. Then you have to compare cos theta, r sine theta. Then we have to see which quadrant it lies and what angle will be there based on value. Then we can find theta also. Okay. But before doing that, the number should be in a plus ib form. Z is equal to a plus ib. Then only it is possible. But here a plus ib by c minus id form it is there. Then what we have to do, you have to convert these two numbers into one number. How to convert? Rationalization. Okay, rationalize this number. Okay, if you rationalize automatically, then it is going to become one number. Okay, see how I am doing. Rationalization means denominator sign has to be changed and multiplication. Okay, let us do. See, 1 minus I3 means 1 plus I3. 1 plus I3 divided by 1 plus I3. Okay, see, first you note down the question and continuously I am doing. Okay? Okay. See, denominator easy. A square minus B square. First write down denominator. A square minus B square minus I square 9. Is it okay? I square 9. Okay? This is denominator. But numerator, if you see, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into I3 plus I2 into 1, I2 plus I2 into I3, I6, I square 6, I into I square 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Further simplify we do. See here, rational part and real part and imaginary part we will separate. You see, I square is minus 1 value, minus 6, 1 minus 6, minus 5. Write down minus 5. I3 plus I2, I5. Okay. Come to denominator. I square is minus 1, minus 9, minus of minus 9, 1 minus minus 9, 1 plus 9, 10. Okay. What will be the final number? Why? Because 5 you can take common there. 5 if you take common, automatically here also 5 you can take common. 2 will be there. 5 going to get cancelled. Okay. Now you see 1 minus 1 plus I 1 by 2. Is it okay? Why? Because 5 I have taken common and cancelled out each numerator and denominator. Okay. Now this you can write let z is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus I 1 by 2. Is it okay? Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Why? Because I means I into 1 is there. I into 1. I5 is there, but afterwards I1 is there. Okay, like that you have to think. Okay, now you see, this will be the z. Okay. Now if this is the z, modulus z easily you can find. Modulus z, that is equal to r. Modulus z we are going to call as r also, radius. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square under root. Okay, that will be your r modulus z. Or we can say, see, he asked the modulus only. This is the modulus, but finally you have to simplify it. R is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 under root. Okay. Half plus of 1, quarter plus quarter of 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 under root. But finally r what will come? Modulus z r is equal to 1 by root 2. This you box. Why? Because 50% of question over. Modulus is this one only. Okay, 1 by root 2. Now we have to find argument. For finding argument, what you have to do? Polar form, generalized polar form first you have to write. Why? Because z has come, r has come, and z you are having z. This is z. Okay, let z. These are important for comparison. Okay, write down. Z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. R sin theta. R cos theta plus I r sin theta. Okay. Okay. That is equal to r, you know, 1 by root 2. Write down 1 by root 2 cos theta plus I 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay. These two are polar form. Polar form. Why? Because polar form if you write, then you can compare and find the value theta argument. Okay. 1 by root 2 cos theta will be minus 1 by 2. Okay. You see, this is z, this is z. Minus 1 by 2 plus I 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 cos theta plus I 1 by root 2 sin theta. That means 1 by root 2 cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Write down. 1 by root 2 cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then cos theta will be how much? Minus root 2 by 2. Minus root 2 by 2. Okay. Then finally cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2. How? 2 means root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 is going to get cancelled. 1 by root 2. Okay. This is story for cos theta. Then again you write for sin theta also. Sin theta 1 by root 2 sin theta. Write down 1 by root 2 sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2 sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Then write down sin theta is equal to, this root 2 will go and multiply. Root 2 by 2. Here also you see bottom denominator root 2 into root 2 you can write, and 1 root 2 is going to get cancelled. Then sin theta is 1 by root 2. Now you see, with these two results we can find theta argument. Why? Because see, cos theta is negative, sin theta is positive. Which quadrant? Why? Because that is also very important for you for calculation. Okay, I am writing here, you see. Okay, this is quadrant. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. Sin theta positive and cos theta negative. Is it okay? Here sin positive but cos is negative. Cos should come negative, sin positive. Okay, that is over. Now we have decided the quadrant. But is it positive or negative angle? Positive angle. From where? This is reference. This will be theta. But then if this is theta, what is this? This is based on value you have to write here. These two are like that. See, value, based on value only you have to write angle, but that angle will be theta in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant same theta will come. In fourth quadrant negative angle will come as theta. In third and second quadrant, that angle opposite you have to take as theta. Okay. Now 1 by root 2 in sin theta, where it comes? 45 degree. Write down 45 degree. Okay. Now if this is 45 degree, what is theta? Theta is 180 minus 45. Why? Because this is 0, this is 180 degree. 180 minus 45, 135 degree. Write down theta is equal to 135 degree. Okay. Now write here. Why? Because he has asked only argument. Theta is equal to 135 degree. Is this plus? Yes. Why? Because see, principal argument for complex numbers, principal argument is there. Principal argument first, third, second quadrant is positive angle theta. Third, fourth, those angles, two angles will be negative theta. Okay. Okay. 135 means how can you write? 180 minus 45 also you can write. 90 plus 45 also you can write. Or simply 3 times 45 also you can write. 3 times 45 I am writing. 3 times 45. That's all. 135 means 3 times 45 only. Na? Then this will be your argument, final answer. Okay. How it has come and all you understand. Na? This is very important. This is very important. Why we have taken rather than 45, 135 only you might be knowing. Always you have to take final theta from reference angle only. Reference is this one 0. From 0 only you have to take. Okay. Now this is your 13th question. Let us go for 14th question. See the 14th question. Find the real numbers x and y. Real numbers you have to find x and y. Why? Because this will come in equation. Then you have to find those values. But what is the logic they have given? How to find? X minus iy into 3 plus i5. See, these two are complex number and multiplication is showing. These two multiplication. Okay, two complex number multiplication. Is, that is means equal to the conjugate of minus 6 plus I24. That means conjugate of this one is how much? Minus 6 plus I24 you have to write. Why? Because minus is there. Imaginary part sign you have to change. Minus 6 plus I24 if you write, this is going to become conjugate. Conjugate is going to become equal of this number. Okay. Then if you make equal automatically, real part and imaginary part, if you make equal automatically, x and y values are going to come. Like that you have to proceed. Okay. Let us proceed first multiplication. Let us do x minus iy into 3 plus i5. Multiplication we will do first. Okay. How I am doing, you see. X minus iy into 3 plus i5. This multiplication is equal to. Why? Because finally one number has to come and the real part, imaginary part, you have to separate it. Then conjugate of this, you have to equate them. Then real part and imaginary part is going to be matched. Equations will come and we have to solve the equations. Okay. Let us multiply this. X into 3, 3x. Plus is there. I, 5 into x, 5x. Okay. Okay, then. See, minus is there. I 3 into y. Okay. Then minus and plus minus I square 5y. Is it okay? First you see multiplication. 3x plus I 5x. Okay. Minus 3 iy minus I square 5y. Is it okay? Okay, okay. Then, okay, further simplify it. I square value is minus 1. Minus 5, minus of minus 5 plus 5. Okay, then you write first real number 3x. Minus of minus plus 5y. Is it okay? This is real part. Put under parenthesis. Okay. Now imaginary part you see, plus I you take common. 5x is there. Okay, 5x minus 3y. Minus 3y. Okay. This is one complex number only. See, for seeing it is bigger, but you see, this is real part, this is imaginary part. You can understand easily. But what is the logic? See, this number is equal to this conjugate. Then what you have to do now? First you have to write. Then the next we have to write this conjugate. Conjugate of, write down. Conjugate of minus 6 minus I24 is equal to minus 6 plus I24. Is it okay? But this should be equal to this one. That you write. How to write? Write down. But 3x plus 5y plus I 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 6 plus I 24. Given. Okay? Like that he has given. Okay. Then you separate real part and imaginary part. Write down. 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6. 5x minus 3y is equal to 24. See, for these two are equations. If you solve these two equations, x and y values are going to be known. That is only he is asking, x and y. Find the values of numbers of x and y, like, okay. How to find x and y? This is normal algebra only, okay. How normally we find, you see, x coefficients you have to make equal. See, here 3 is there, here 5 is there. If here 2 and 4 is there, means only 1 you can multiply. 2 into 2, 4 is going to become. But here not like that. This is 3, this is 5. This also you have to multiply with 3. 15 is going to become. This also you have to multiply with 5. This is going to become 15. Then you make subtraction. X going to get cancelled, 0. Then y value is going to come. Y value you substitute, x value you are going to find. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply with 5. This should be multiplied with 3. Okay. 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 3, 15. X are going to get cancelled. Okay. 6 into 3, 18. Sorry, 5 into 3, 15. X plus 5 into 5, 25y is equal to 5 into 6, 30, but minus 30. Okay. This is the first equation. Second equation, if you see, into 3, 15x minus 3 into 3, 9y is equal to 3 24s are 72. That's all. Okay. Now what you have to do? Subtract. Why? Because subtraction only. 15x is going to get cancelled. Okay. Now operation I am making here, subtraction. Like this symbol. Okay. 15x minus 15x is 0. 25y minus of minus plus. Now 25 plus 9, 34. 34 y is equal to, okay. Now here both minus will come. Minus 30, minus 72. Minus 102. Is it okay? Okay. Now remaining I am writing here. You see, when 34, see 0 you write, don't write, okay. 34y is equal to minus 102 means y is equal to minus 102 by 34. Okay. Minus 51 by 17. 2 17s to 2 51s. 17 3s are 54, minus 3. That means y is equal to minus 3 you have got. You box it. Y you have got minus 3. Now how to get x? You substitute this x in this equation. Okay. Okay, write down 3 into x plus 5 into y is minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Okay. Minus 15. If it goes this side, plus 15. 3x is equal to 15 minus 6. Is it okay? You see, 5 into minus 3 minus 15. Minus 15 equal to this side. If it goes that side, plus 15 it is going to become. Plus 15 minus 6. That is equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 by 3. that is equal to 3. That means x is equal to 3 will be your x value. Box it. Okay. Find the real numbers of x and y. He asked. X and y we have found. Okay. This will be your answer for this 14th question. Okay. Let us go for 15th question. Let us find the modulus of 1 plus I by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I. Okay. Modulus we can find easily. If you know in the form of z is equal to a plus ib, a square plus b square under root. Okay. But here this is not a one number like a plus ib. Here four numbers are there. You see 1 plus I by 1 minus I minus 1 minus I by 1 plus I. Okay. Then how to convert these four numbers into one number? If you convert to four numbers into one number, then you can find modulus easily. Modulus. Okay. How to convert? Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication we have to do. Let us do cross multiplication. Okay. Cross multiplication. See 1 plus I into 1 plus I minus 1 minus I into 1 minus I divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. Okay. Okay. Cross multiplication we have done. But you see 1 plus I means 1 plus I square. You can write 1 plus I square minus 1 minus I square. Okay. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Why? Because I is 1 only. A square minus b square. Okay. Here also you see, you take entire this as a square, this as b square. Like that also you can take, or else you are having one formula. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. This formula you know, you have to remember. Why? Because a plus b whole square all plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square plus minus 2ab will come. When you are making minus, then a square plus b square minus a square plus b square are going to get cancelled. 2ab minus of minus 2ab, 4ab is going to come. Okay. Shall I write this as 4ab? How can you write 4ab means? 4, a means 1 into 1, b means I into I, divided by 1 minus of I square. I square is minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1. Write down 1 plus 1. Okay. Okay. 4 into 1 into I means I4. That's all. You write I4. I4 by 2. Is it okay? Okay. I4 by 2 means how much? 4 by 2. I4 by 2. I2. Finally, how it is going to become? 0 plus I2. Is it okay? Okay. 0 plus I2 final number. Now you take this as Z. Now see, rather than 4 numbers, you have got only one number. Then you can find modulus. Let Z is equal to 0 plus I. See, this is 2, not 0, 2. 0 plus I2. Okay. 0 plus I2. Okay, comma. Modulus of Z, that is equal to R, is equal to 0 square plus 2 square under root. That is equal to 2. You see, whenever real part or imaginary part is going to become 0, the modulus of that number, complex number, is positive of that number, real number. Even if you hear minus 2 also, minus 2 square, 2 only will come. 4 will and root 2 will come. Like that you have to think. Okay. Like this you have to find the solution for this question. Okay. This is question number 15. Okay. Modulus we have to find. Only modulus only asked. Let us go for 16th. See the 16th question. If x plus iy whole cube is equal to u plus iv, that means after expansion, you have to separate real number, imaginary part. Real part is equal to u, imaginary part is equal to v, like that you have to separate. Then you may know u and v values. Okay. Show that u by x plus v by y. That means u you know divided by x you do, v you know divided by y you do. Then add both of them, u by x plus v by y. Final result should come 4 of x square minus y square. 4 of, that means 4x square minus 4y square, it has to come. Like that this question is there. Okay. Let us find first to expand this x plus y I cube, I by I cube. Okay. Then we will see further what can be done. Okay. See how I am writing. X plus iy whole cube is equal to. Okay. Now it is like a plus b cube. A plus b whole cube form. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, like that you can write. Write down a cube plus 3a square b. We write last b cube. Why? Because in binomial theorem says like that only. We will follow that rule. A cube over 3a square b. 3a square. A square means x square. B means iy. Okay. We will simplify afterwards. I first we have to write, but for last we will write. Plus 3ab square. A is x. B square means I square y square. Plus b cube. I cube y cube. Is it okay? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. This we have written. Okay. Now, okay. Let us write remaining. X cube will be x cube only. Okay. See what will come for real part you see. Why? Because always I square is going to come for real part. That you have to keep in your mind. I square value how much? Minus 1. That means this entire thing minus 1 into is there, multiplication. That means 3 x y square is going to become negative, minus. That means minus 3x y square. 3x y square. Now I square has become 1, minus 1, minus 1. Multiplication. You write or not, don't write. Minus into 1 means minus 3x y square it is going to become. Now this portion is completed. Now which portions are left? This one and this one. But I cube also, you know that I cube is minus I. Minus I. Okay, that means this is going to become minus I y cube. First you write this one. Now I am writing, you see, plus I 3x square y. Okay, this is going to become minus I y cube. Why? I cube is equal to minus I, we know. We have to know these three. I, we know I only. I square minus 1, I cube minus I to the power of 4 is 1. That's all. Remaining all for inverse also we can rationalize. We can rationalize. I square both will come minus 1. I to the power of minus 2 also minus 1. I to the power of 4 1. I to the power of minus 4 also 1. Okay. Remaining all we can do calculation. That is not big thing. Okay. Now let us finalize this number. Now again I am writing, you see, x plus iy whole cube is equal to, okay, real part, okay, already finalized it, 3xy square, okay, plus I am taking common. Now I is there. 3x square minus y cube. Is it okay? Is this the final? Real part, imaginary part. Why? Because you have to equate it. Okay, let us equate. X cube minus 3x y square plus I 3x square minus y cube is equal to u plus iv as given. Okay, this equal to as given. Now you know, now you separate real parts and the imaginary part. U is equal to x cube minus 3x y square, comma v is equal to 3x square minus y cube. Okay, until now okay. But what he is asking us, is asking us to show that u by x plus v by y is equal to this much. Beforehand, u by x you have to find u by x. How to find u by x? You write down u by x is equal to u by x is equal to x cube minus 3x y square by x. Okay. If you divide x, see x cube is there, x square will come, x is going to get cancelled, that's all. That means x square minus 3y square. Is it okay? You see? Why? Because I have divided by x. X square by x minus 3xy square by x. X going to get cancelled. 1x going to get cancelled. X square will be there. Okay. This will be u by x value. Okay. Likewise, you can write v by y also. V by y is equal to, I have put comma, you see. Okay. This is a different one. Why? Because I don't have space. 3x square somewhere we have done mistake. Why? Because you see, for v, y has to come common, but y is not there here. Where we have done mistake, you see. Here 3a square b, okay. 3a b square is also okay. Y square has come, okay. You see 3x square, y you have not written here. This problem has repeated entire the thing, might have repeated. You see, y cube is okay, but you see I 3x square y, 3x square y you have missed here. Okay, please note down this. I 3x square y. I 3x square y. Here also you have to write. I 3x square y. Here also you have to write. Okay. Then here also I 3x square y. Everywhere it comes. Once you have done mistake means that has to be rectified wherever it is there. Now here also you write. Now you write here 3x square y minus y cube divided by y. Okay, you see now y you are dividing means here y is going to get cancelled, here y square is going to be happen. Okay, write down 3x square minus y square. Is it okay? Okay. Now finally what you have to write? U by x plus v by y you have to add. Write down. U by x plus v by y is equal to x square minus 3y square plus this one 3x square minus y square. X square plus 3x square 4x square minus 3y minus y square minus 4y square. Finally 4 you can take common, x square minus y square is going to happen. This will be your RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS, like you can write and close. See, like this question comes means very carefully how to tackle. Like I did mistake, if you do then everything you have to go back and change it. I can change. Why? Because whiteboard is there, but you cannot change. That is why little bit carefully how to answer such type of questions. Okay, now we have proved this. Okay, now what we do, we close this class itself here, and we will see remaining 4 questions, 17, 18, 19, 20 in next class. Okay, thank you very much.